Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to change your email ID in Hostinger, I can guide you through that. I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way on the internet today. So let's get into it. So to change your email ID on your Hostinger account, you're going to go up to the top right hand side where you will see your profile picture, and it'll say account information. Now right over here, account information is what we are looking for, and once it opens up, you'll see all of your account information. We're going to go all the way down. Now, the very first thing you need to do here under social logins is where it says enabled, you need to unlink this, okay? Now, once you've unlinked it, you will be able to go just a little bit higher, and under account settings, you'll see email. Let's click on it. And here you'll be able to change your email address, okay? It also gives you instructions. It says you'll receive a verification email to your current email address with a link to finalize. So you'll need authorization or at least access to this email address so that you can actually change the email ID. You're going to go ahead and click on continue, and you'll be emailed a link, and that will allow you to change the email ID.